Coba kita lihat. Lihat dulu. Oh, udah. Yuk. 61, mantap. Sudah naik lagi jadi 61 subscriber. Udahlah. Keep the bonus. Treasure kamu. Yes. Campaign. Main di normal. Halo, telat si Boti lagi loh. Enggak telat kok. Udah 61 loh. Kemarin perasaan baru 60 loh. Sekarang udah 61. Ya. All men dream.
Those who dream by night, in the dusty recesses of their minds, wake in the day to find that it was vanity.
Oke. Di kota kah?
Dangerous men. For they may act their
Quotes.
dreams with open eyes to make it possible. This I did.
Quotes. Saya 10 jam jadi langsung tamat. Udah gila kali, tipes langsung tipes. Rokok. Bar. Improve-nya bagus ya. Apa? Masa baru-baru udah tegang dah? Nggak mungkin langsung perang kan? Nggak mungkin langsung perang sih.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Enjoying yourself, pal?
Oh yeah, you're a comedian.
Nice warm welcome.
Both clean.
My apologies. One can't be too careful.
Siapa?
You're Talbot?
Mr. Sullivan and Mr. Drake.
That's right.
Kau udah 4 menit.
Do you have it?
Let's
Ada
see
aja.
the money first. Cut it.
It's all there. Now let's see it.
Kalung.
I'll need to
Kalung yang
authenticate
selama
it.
ini dia pakai loh itu.
Of course.
Nggak tahu deh kalung apa dia.
Silver, 16th century, Elizabethan design, inscribed with Sir Francis Drake's motto. Well,
Francis Drake.
it appears to be genuine.
Well, of course it's genuine.
If I may ask, how did you two come into this?
Does it matter?
My
Mahal
client will
banget,
be
Bu.
very pleased.
Hold on a minute. Sully, this is fake.
I assure you, Mr. Drake.
Oh, you are right. This is phony as a $3 bill. What the hell are you trying to pull here?
Perhaps I should be asking you.
This is bullshit. Deal's off, pal.
And you?
Duit palsu katanya.
Tell your client. You blew it. Come on, Nate. Let's get the hell out of here.
You're not really in a position to negotiate. Now give me the ring, Take the case and walk out of here like gentlemen.
Oh.
You still can.
Do as the man says, son.
Up.
You're a thief. Well now, that's ironic.
Dor. Langsung berantem, gila, baru mulai ini loh. Kotak, oh, masih tutorial nih. Oke. Hop, dar. Baru mulai loh. Oh, kayaknya lebih banyak nih tombolnya nih. Ada bullet, di grab. Sebelumnya kan nggak ada ya. Ya lebih bagus lah fightnya ya daripada yang sebelumnya. Hop. Buset, dikeroyok begini. Yuk. Up. Big guy. Granddad. Salah nantang orang. Iya makanya. Mau ditipu soalnya kita tadi. Makanya ditentang. Another round. Mantep. Sini lo. Treasure. Aduh. Oh sumpah lebih susah nih fightnya nih. Ayo. Sini lo. Udah kelar. Op. Siapa itu? Oh. Big guy. Sakit itu, Pak. Keramik gitu loh. Op. Sakit tuh. Oh. Pingsan paling orang kayak gitu mah. Udah, teler udah. Tidur. Udah. Mati sih kayaknya enggak. Cuma paling pingsan. Awas. Astagfirullah. Tong. Panci loh. Tempat tidur paling enak ya di kloset. Ups.
Typical bloody egg. Talk.
Hey, was that enough? I'll let you, mate.
Ya.
Stay down.
Ini lagi nih orang nih. Oh nipu lo ya. Bener-bener. Nah, ini ibu-ibu siapa nih bu? Nenek-nenek nih kayaknya.
Still wallowing in
Kate.
gutter with your protege, I see. Not very dignified for a man of your age.
Should have known you'd be behind this.
Kate siapa pak?
Careful now. Wouldn't want you to melt.
Same cocky little shit. So fearless. I wonder
Aduh.
what you're really afraid of. Not bullets. or
Tajam tuh.
blood or broken bones. No. You get off on all this, don't you? Cheating death. Or not. Mr. Sullivan, I won't harm your precious boy. I may
Enggak.
want what's mine.
Ada apa sih dengan kalungnya itu? Kayaknya si Kate ini istrinya si Sally. Tapi
You fool!
Oh, you're bloody welcome, Your Majesty.
Marlowe, we have to get you out of here.
mati tuh.
Come on, they're a
Tamat.
right pair of arseholes.
Kayaknya si Kate istrinya si Sally tapi udah cerai. Nggak tahu dah. Udah tamat dong. Tamat. Nah ini apa lagi? Sebelum kejadian itu kah? Columbia. Kayaknya sih lebih ke Amerika ya, benua Amerika kayaknya. Kalau sebelumnya di Asia, Eropa. Oh, udah tamat. Siapa ini? 20 years. Oh iya. Waktu anak ini ada anak muda nih. Francis Drake. El Pirata. Francis Drake. Nah, ini anak siapa nih?
Here we go.
Here we go.
That's not it.
Buku. Ini siapa ini?
Not here.
Awas bang, misi bang.
That's not it.
Jadi kita nyari apa ini? Apa itu? Cincin apa gimana sih? Oh iya cincin tuh. Coba kalung yang dipakai si Drake itu kah? Coba. Kan ada kompas tuh di situ tuh ya. Coba. Nah. Kayak cincin tuh yang sebelah kanan yang dilingkarin. Coba. Aku dengar suara azan ya. Padahal masih jam 2 loh. Halo Pak.
It's gotta be one of these cases.
Nah ini. Iya bener kan cincin. Si Nate muda kayaknya. Si Nate waktu masih kecil. Iya kelihatan sih dari ininya, wataknya ya. Mirip si ini Sally. Nate Siapa? Nathan Drake yang karakter utama. Nate. Oke. Apa itu dia? Dia menyolong ini ya, kaget. Ini kayaknya orang pengen nyolong juga ya. Diusir nggak tuh? Penseho. Entah apa artinya. Ikutin. Ada treasure di situ tuh. Nice. Sudu. Sendok tuh. Dia ke kanan kan tuh ya.
There he is.
Op.
Don't mind if I do.
Hari-hari diusir.
It was rotten anyway. Now where did we go?
Pasar. Inikah pertama kali si Nate ketemu sama si Sally?
Where's he going?
Jualan. Daging. Op. Dia masuk situ ya? Op. Kesini kita. Wait, nggak bisa ke situ. Lu udah bisa manjat. Coba manjat. Oh iya benar. Bisa manjat, masih kecil loh ini loh. Gila, udah punya bakat ya, emang ya. Emang bakat manjat, emang bakat parkur dari kecil. Emang bakat kayaknya. Mati. Oh, untung aja enggak. Kayak Spanyol, apa yang Spanyol bahasanya? Oh, ini ada pipa. Masih pelan. Oke.
What's he doing there? Where did he get a better line?
Bahasanya, iya, kayak Kolombia. Ini di Kolombia, bahasa Kolombia apa sih? Apa bahasa Spanyol juga? Oke, itu dia. Sally. Kocak, ketahuan.
Aquí lo tiene.
Kunci.
I gotta get that mug. Crap. I can't go down that way.
Wih, rokoknya rokok orang kaya ya. Oke. Mana dia? Oke. Iya kak, ini di Spanyol. Oh gitu. Iya bahasanya adios amigos kan, gracias itu bahasa Spanyol kan. Up. Maksudnya dia tadi adios amigos. Oh itu si Kate. Ternyata temannya si Sally. Pantesan saling kenal lagi, saling kenal. Duh, kemana lagi tuh dia? Duh, rame betul. Kita menyolong dompet kan ini. Ayo. Itu dia. Mulus banget, gila. Oh, emang bakat nih anak. Enak emang bakat.
Let's try that again.
Let go of me.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Now don't try to run. A long way from home, so
Don't call me that.
parents must be worried about you.
Yeah, not like
Iya ya.
So sunshine. It was a nice lift back there. You're pretty good.
I don't know what you're talking about, old man.
Hey, don't call me that.
Don't call me that.
Telegraphing all your moves.
You're crazy.
Yeah? You've been tailing me all over town. Probably figured me for an easy mark. But you picked the wrong guy, pal.
Dia bisa tahu loh.
What?
Kita yang ngikutin dia.
Fine. Maybe we'll just call the police.
Go ahead. Of course, they might wonder why a middle-aged tourist is following young boys down alleyways.
You are a crafty little beggar, aren't you?
I know how to take care of myself. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you don't like the cops any more than I do.
Good point. Kid. The wallet.
Had to try.
Of course you did.
Emang bakat nyolong emang. Si Nate ini nih dari dulu kayaknya bakat nyolong. Itu sampai nggak berasa loh.
Telegraphing all my moves, huh?
Itu dia kuncinya. Pintar juga ya.
All right. Museum's closed.
Ups. Mana ini? Mana kita? Kesini. Oh iya kesini betul. Pas dompetnya diambil itu gila mulus bajunya si Sally aja sampai gak gerak. Kayaknya kalau bajunya si Sally gak gerak emang gamenya deh, dari gamenya. Emang gamenya belum punya teknologi secanggih sekarang, kan ini game dulu. Game 2000 berapa ini ya? Ups. Lah. 2000 berapa nih game ya? Nggak tahu lah. Pokoknya di bawah 2017 deh. Game lama. Game PS3 by the way. Tahu deh kapan tuh. Kalau yang pertama kan 2007, yang kedua 2009, yang ketiga ini nggak tahu. Ayo cepet.
Damn it, kid.
My victim, look who it is. Filthy little stray that made off with your wallet.
Oh.
Come on, son. You haven't got a chance. Just hand it over.
Now, the ring.
What ring?
Who do you think you are, boy? You're nothing but a filthy, cast-off little beggar. You're not fit to touch these objects.
What the hell do you think you're doing? He's just a kid.
Stop him!
Emang udah bakat.
Stop the boy!
Ke atas.
He has the ring!
Bakap jadi mati saya. Tertangkap.
Holy crap!
Ya, cepet.
He has the ring! Break the door now!
Oops.
Oh god. He's heading for the roof!
Untung badannya kecil ya.
Crap!
Oh.
Who the hell are these guys?
Salah nggak naik ke sono loh.
There he is! Oh, crap! Who the hell are these guys?
Oh yuk. Oke, mantap. Buset. Anak kecil loh ini, masa ditembak gitu? Udah mainan pistol sama anak kecil, udah nggak bener. Oh. Lah, kok dia malah bantuin? Kenapa dia malah bantuin ya? Kemana ini? Kemana? Ke atas. Set, hancur. Kayu hancur.
We've got it! Excuse me, coming through.
Kenapa lagi tuh? Hei, pecah dong. Untung nggak ya? Gila kau main pistol kau ya? Oh bener deh, kirain mati ke situ.
Look what we have here.
Whoops. You all right? What are you shaking for? Just close your eyes. This
Mau
won't hurt a
dibunuh?
bit.
Kenapa? Si Sully. Kayaknya dia ngelihat potensi kita nih. Potensi si Nathan Drake. Wah, nih anak pinter juga nih. Jenius juga nih anak nih, jago juga. Loncat-loncatnya ya, parkurnya.
Relax. We're safe here.
Traktir makan.
Go on.
Makan mewah tuh.
You don't want it.
Lahap.
What do you want from me?
A little gratitude would be nice. You did just save your ass back there.
Thanks. But what's in it for you? I mean, you're a crook, right? You gotta have an angle.
You are one piece of work, kid. What's your story, anyway?
Look, mister. No offense. But I don't
Jadi si Sully sama ceweknya beda pikiran tuh Sully. Oh ini anak bakat jadi
This
maling
will be the
nih.
part where you introduce yourself.
Kalau si ceweknya hanya mau cincinnya, iya makanya.
Okay.
Dia ngeliat
Tell
apa
me what's
si
so special about that ring.
Nate ini, oh pinter nih orang kok.
It belongs in my family.
Bakat nyolong,
I'm just taking it back.
terus bakat parkur,
Francis Drake himself.
otaknya juga
That's right.
jenius.
So you kid, but Drake didn't have any heirs, no children.
Well,
Masih anak-anak padahal ya,
not with his
udah
wife
ngerti
back in England anyway.
kayak gitu.
Okay, good point. Let me see it. Come on, kid. If I was gonna take it from you, I would have done it by now.
Jadi Sully cuma butuh petunjuk. Dia abis dapetin cincin ini nggak tahu mau ngapain kan.
What is this? Parvis?
Sic Parvis Magna. It means greatness from small beginnings. That was his motto.
Yeah?
You see, Queen Elizabeth gave it to him in 1581, when he got back to England after circumnavigating the globe. That's when she made him a knight.
You sure as hell didn't learn that on the streets. How's a kid your age know Latin?
The nuns sort of insisted on it.
Tuh kan.
So, like a boarding school.
It's a nice
Ini
word
anak
for it.
pintar. Apalagi tentang bahasa-bahasa kan dia bisa
So what was all that
hampir
business with
beberapa
the
bahasa.
that
Spanyol
master
bisa,
ring thing back there?
Latin
Why don't
bisa,
you tell me?
Inggris,
You're the one working for him.
Spanyol.
Kid.
4
Client
bahasa
wants
tuh.
something. I obtain. For a
Masih
price.
remaja padahal.
I don't ask any questions. It's just a job.
Look pretty friendly to me.
Yeah, well. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I'm fired.
Okay, look. First of all, that was no astrolabe. It's some sort of decoding device. Check this out. On his way around the
Indonesia lah gitu.
Drake sailed through the East Indies. Only he says that
India.
it took him 6 months to get
India
from
Timur.
here to here.
Java, Borneo,
So,
Philippines.
doesn't add up. He was way too good a sailor for that. It would have taken him a month, tops. He was hiding something. Something big.
How big?
like secret missions from the Queen,
Pinteran anaknya nih.
like millions in plundered treasure that hasn't ever been recovered. Big,
That big.
that big.
And that Dakota has something to do with it.
I would bet my life on it.
Swell. And Marlowe's got it.
Won't do her much good without the key.
So it's a
Okay.
stalemate then.
For now.
So you still haven't told me what your name is.
And you still haven't told me what you want from me.
Okay. Look, you got talent.
Nah kan?
You got a lot to learn. Stick with me and I'll teach you a few things.
Thanks. But I'm doing just fine on my own.
Yeah, clearly. What do you say we try this again? My friends call me Sully.
Nathan Drake.
Nathan Drake.
Nate.
Nate.
Drake.
Drake. Salah satu bajak laut juga tuh.
Things in our future, kid.
Drake.
Great things.
Oke. Mati.
There you go. All right, mate.
Hah? Udah mati juga? Loh, hidup lagi?
Bet you were gonna put a silencer on that thing.
Sorry. You've got no sense of drama.
Right.
Kayak mana dia?
Well, that racket's gonna bring the cops any minute. Get the hell out of here.
Could have pulled a couple of those punches, Charlie.
What do you mean? I hardly touched you.
You headbutted me.
Oh, I got a little swept up.
You were the one who said make it look realistic.
Disundul palanya.
All right, Brodos, look sharp. They're coming your way. Don't lose them.
Told you they'd take the bait.
How long do you reckon before they realize this is a fake?
Who cares? Finally flushed them out.
Now we just falling back to that hole.
Kita punya tim kah sekarang?
Do realize you make everything sound dirty.
Masa dari dulu, aduh, polisi. Dari dulu masa sendiri mulu ya? Berdua sama Sally.
Really? Come on, Charlie, what's the holdup?
Ini si Charlie ini punya apa? Punya tim juga nih.
Soon. It'll all be over soon. That's it. That's all. Oh, that wasn't too bad.
What the hell is wrong with you?
It's treasure. Nah, harus dicek tuh yang gitu-gitu.
It's blocked.
Jadi,
Get
oh
around
itu
this way.
ini.
Or we could just use a little muscle.
Hmm?
There's a closet.
Capek-capek manjat bro. Dia bisa ngedobrak gitu. Oh, dorong.
Yours too high. Put your back into it, mate. We haven't got all bloody night.
Thanks for the help. Come on, move your lazy asses. All right. Looks like the coast is clear.
Oh udah, cutscene.
You should be more careful with your heads, you know.
Evening, lads.
All right, darling.
SMA, Wayan masih menimbang apakah ini ya kuliah bisnis.
Went off without a hitch.
You unusually quiet. What's up your bum?
Kelompok mapel IPS 5 per minggu, kelompok mapel MIPA 10 per minggu. Kelompok mapel umum 18 per minggu wajib diambil. Fisika, geografi, matematika, permintaan.
Behind that one there.
Chloe.
They drove in ages
Okay.
ago. It's been dark ever since.
Think they're still in there?
Well, I haven't taken my eyes off it.
Oke, kita punya tim ya sekarang ya.
We're out.
Nggak ada beban nih harusnya.
These are really necessary and
Silencer.
Don't underestimate these blokes. They're not messing about.
Harusnya nggak ada beban.
We sneak up.
Harusnya.
Yeah.
Lah, kalau hidup.
trouble. You
Lagi itu darah apaan? Makanya. Atau enggak ini kali senjata apa? Senjata buat main apa tuh? Point blank, bukan point blank apa sih? Ballpoint ya? Bukan ballpoint mah pulpen. Yang nembak cat itu loh.
Didn't I tell you?
Oh, please. Look, I
Yes.
just hope you're right.
Kayak superhero gitu ya. Mantap, ada tim baru. Yo.
Quiet.
Iya, yang ditembak keluar cat itu loh. Apa sih namanya? Point blank. Enggak, bukan point blank, apa? Point ball. Ya, point ball.
Standing.
I'll find a way in, check it out.
Point ball. Ibu pernah main sama Ibu pernah main sama teman-temannya. Enggak, aku nggak pernah main begituan. Aku paling main ini, apa namanya, laser tag dulu tuh. Up. Senggol lagi tuh.
Empty? Where did it go?
Sini. Turun. Oh, sekarang bisa gini biar lebih cepet. Nah iya, oh ini. Oke, mantap. Buka pintu. Kemana mereka? Nggak ada suaranya loh.
Give me a hand with this.
Oke.
Does anybody see a car? Because I don't see a car.
Damn it.
You sure this is the right one?
Yes, the green door, I'm sure.
Nate, we are losing time. Damn briefcase is looking better and better.
Come on, they didn't just vanish into thin air, right? There's got to be an explanation. Spread out around.
Katanya sih mereka masuk sini.
I can still smell the exhaust.
Tire
Oke,
tracks.
oke.
Still wet from the rain. Looks like the car turned here.
Dalam sini. Kayak ada ruang rahasia nggak sih? Mencet apa itu? Loh.
Hey, check this out.
Ruang rahasia kah? Mobilnya si Kate nih kemana?
Tires, 4 points of contact. So, stand right there. You two. There, and there.
Oke,
On 3. Ready? 1, 2.
2, 3. Hop.
And
Well, this has got to be it. Wait, it's the light.
Oh, oke.
Sully, aim your beam at the wall. Like
Bukan.
that.
Wah, sumpah nih orang pinter betul. Bukan cuma diinjak doang ya, harus
abracadabra.
abracadabra.
Nate, just who are we dealing with here?
There's only one way to find out.
Kayaknya
Track the car. You head back to the van.
bukan orang sembarangan.
Contact. I'll let you know when we get through to the other side, right?
Wherever the hell that is.
Just be ready for anything. Might be a quick exit.
No doubt.
She's the best driver in the business, you know.
So I've heard.
Oke, masuk.
Well, I think we agree this is
P.
Their car underground.
Apa tuh P?
Well, let me think. Someone who doesn't want to be followed. It's just a guess.
La la la,
Looks like they
gabut.
bored straight into the old service tunnels.
Ya makanya gamenya lagi bosen nih. Tadi kan ada perang, nih kayaknya tadi kan mantap beneran pistol. Kirain
Just have to find a way around.
beneran pistol nih pakai silencer.
Hey,
Ini.
over here.
It's locked.
It's locked. Ditembak kah? Iya benar kan. Oke, 30 ammo kita.
We should be able to squeeze through here.
Aduh, kesetrum dong.
Lead on, McDuff.
It's lay on.
McDuff.
Can we hurry up?
All right, back there?
Just keen on tight spaces, that's all.
Just keep moving.
Oke.
Who the hell is McDuff?
Is the
Ada apa? Oh, alah.
yeah, nice one. Nice.
45. Enggak lah, silencer lah gila.
Okay. Tunnel's right below us. So we're still on the right path.
Ada senjata baru tuh. 45 Defender. Oops.
Long way down.
Wih,
Careful, it's slippery.
oke. Masuk sini. Op. Oke. Teman kita mana lagi di botak? Oke, sabar. Sabar. Kita grab aja ya. Nice. Mana? Kita ke atas sini. Yuk.
There's a passage up here.
Tim kami yang cewek mana? Dia ngurusin jalan keluar. Biar cepet keluarnya nanti kalau misalkan kejebak. Jadi udah tahu jalan keluarnya mau kemana gitu.
It's like there's some sort of gate up there.
Udah ditentuin gitu keluar dari sini gitu. Biar nggak lama. Kalau misalkan misinya gagal atau ketangkep atau ketahuan, jadi biar cepet. Switch. Aduh, berat. Ayo Sally. Kalau si botak mana itu? Di botak di bawah.
Okay, Charlie, come on.
Ini mana tadi si botak? Kan dia ada kok. Oh tuh. Nah ini si botak. Halo, nah.
There's the tunnel again.
Just before I drop there, we'll break our damn necks.
It's a dead end. Down here.
Buset. Ini kemana?
Charlie, who the hell are we dealing with?
London Underground.
Like the Iron One. It's got to be Victoria, not the other one.
This stuff's been rustling for a century.
Ini sih lift zaman dulu ya. Pertengahan abad kayaknya liftnya. Oke.
Maybe we can get through here.
Ayo. Aduh.
No way we're moving there.
Manjat lagi.
Counter. So it's stuck.
Jadi saya manjat lagi.
Climb up there and see if they can dislodge it.
Good idea. Yes, sir.
Saya lagi yang manjat. Kamu ada di Indo itu buktinya London. London kan devaksonan lagi. Ada aja. Kata siapa itu, bot? Manjatnya ke sini. Kuning. Oke, mantap. Hop.
Almost there.
Oke. Ayo. Kata-kata pintar Insinyur Muhammad. Emang namanya Muhammad ya? Aku nggak tahu nama lengkapnya. Ya, take your time. Orang tua. Lift diangkat loh sama mereka loh. Oke. So. Tikus. Hampir. Hati-hati.
Shit, get down.
Aduh, apa itu? Apa itu? Aduh. Ada berapa itu? Ada 2 ya? Oke, kita coba pantau sononya. Oke, mantap.
Good eye. That's where I'm back. Hey, there's Marlo's car.
Itu dia mobilnya. No more guns. Mau mana kita? Ih. Kalau lampu di rumah ini dipelanjatin kayak gini mah roboh ya. Yang lampu ruang tamu tuh yang hitam. Kena angin aja udah goyang-goyang, apalagi dipanjatin kayak gini.
Hands up.
Op.
We must have taken the wrong turn somewhere.
Yeah, is this King's Cross?
Don't move.
Aduh, lama banget take down-nya. Nge-take down gitu aja lama bet. Itu dia mobilnya.
What kind of place is this?
So,
Train station.
It's got to be almost 200 years old.
wow.
This is just when you think things can't get any weirder.
Kayak ada jalan sih itu. Ya kok banyak coveran kayak gini nih, perang apa gimana sih? Quiet, please. Ayo.
This is done, boys. Come on. We must have gone through here.
It's stonework.
Looks like Tudor. 16th century.
Ini dari batu loh ini loh. tempat zaman dulu banget ini. Obor dulunya ini pasti nih.
Up this way.
Oke. Kok dimatiin lampunya? Wih, 3 yang nonton, mantep.
I'm not interested in your
Oh,
He was a loose cannon, and you should have known.
Yes, it is regrettable, but
Not regrettable. Sloppy. Your poor judgment could have cost us everything. 400 years of searching. Finally, Drake's secret will be revealed.
oke. Nah, kan palsu, bro.
What is this?
I don't understand.
It's a forgery.
What? That's not possible. I verified it myself. This isn't the ring.
Really?
I held it in my hands. I saw him put it around his neck. This doesn't make sense.
Wih.
We've been duped.
Cutter.
Dia ingat kejadian waktu Nate masih kecil.
You men stand guard and stay alert. We may have been followed. You come with us.
Follow.
Find them and bring me that ring. I don't care how you get it.
Kata-kata pintar Insinyur Muhammad Mamat. Kode-kode ya. Oke. Oh, bisa. Nah, bisa gitu, bro. Ih. Kayaknya ini sneaky-sneaky-nya mah lebih banyak daripada yang pertama sama yang kedua. Kalau yang pertama nggak ada sama sekali sneaky-sneaky gini. Kan tadi I don't know here how you get it, how you get it. Pas di bawah udah jadi serpihan. Iya ya, serpihan gimana maksudnya? Oh iya. Pokoknya gimana cara dapetinnya gitu kan? Di bawahnya serpihan gitu. Oke, tahu. Paham. Iya, aku tahu. Paham.
Nate, focus.
Bawahnya udah patah gitu. Ini dia. Syria.
What are you...
My God, do you know what this is?
It's a book, mate. There's a lot
It's a book, mate.
It's not just any book, wise ass. It belonged to Teddy Lawrence. You know, Lawrence of Arabia.
Yes, I know who he is.
This was mailed from Dorset on the day of his motorcycle accident. May 13th, 1935. They must have killed him once they got their hands on it.
They...
Yeah, they, them, whoever these people are.
What a load of rubbish. It was an accident.
Witnesses saw a black car run him off the road.
Guys,
Oh, so it was like a big cover.
Maybe.
Nate,
What?
that thing you have been waiting 20 years for?
Right.
Dia malah nyari yang lain ya, padahal yang dicari ya dari kecil tuh udah depan mata. Oke. Oke.
L O H
H D N. Loh, Dan.
What is it?
It's long hidden.
What?
Long hidden.
Shit, long hidden. Are you kidding me?
No offense, mate, but your ancestor was a right arsehole.
Just shut up. It's an anagram.
Oke.
Golden Hind. The Golden Hind.
Drake shit.
Yes. It's a clue. It's gotta be something hidden in this room. Alright, spread out. See what you can find.
Kalungnya nggak dibawa lagi.
What the hell are we looking for anyway?
The Golden Hind.
Could it be a
The
moon?
Golden Hind.
Maybe a painting.
Oh, oke.
It's gotta be here.
Yang di ini kan
Like that before we know. What? Buckingham.
gambarnya emas. Yang gambarnya emas, kuda. Nih, ini peta Indonesia nih itu. Timor, Papua Nugini, Ternate, Borneo tuh Kalimantan, Java.
Place is amazing. Things in here must be worth a
Ini badak, banteng, macan, rusa.
Yeah, come on, mate, help me out.
Yang ini mana ya? Kuda. Gimana lagi? Coba naik sini. Singa, gajah. Kemana sih? Mana sih nih? Astagfirullah. Babi nggak ada. Nyari kuda kan ini, kepala kuda. Iya, nggak ada. Ini apa lagi nih? Oh, ini sini, coba naik. Oke. Ini kuda apa sih? Kancil, ini kancil ya? Jatuh lu.
It's a trap. We're here. Take cover.
Oke. Oh, pas banget, untung jatuh di situ. Baca dulu. Arab. Oh, nggak ada ammo. Kemana kita? Nggak ada ammo, bro. Alah, majuin aja lah, yuk. Amonya lagi cuma 30 ya dikasih ya. Sekarang nonjok sambil nangkep pistol tuh, keren banget. Mantap banget, depan mata. Dan sekarang nggak bisa di entah diapain sama si dia. Banyak betul. Headshot. Banyak betul. Buset. Dikira ammo gak mahal ya. Mahal, makanya cuma dikasih 30. Iya, apalagi enggak sih kalau 9mm enggak. Kalau pistol, kecuali yang assault rifle ya. Malah aku pernah nonton orang Indo di Amerika beli peluru. Kalau yang pistol nggak mahal, yang rifle biasanya katanya mahal. Nah, gini dong, musuhnya lebih cepat matinya. Oh, buset. Oke, mantap. Buset, masih ada lagi. Mana lu, bro? Ya elah, si bro. Dari mana aja kamu, bro? Oh. Buset tuh laser. Parnoan aja deh, bikin parno sumpah. Sniper. Oke, mantap. Untung ada smoke. Oke. Tunggu dulu, sabar. Aman lu, sini lu. Sniper mana, Pak? Oh, kesini. Dari tadi lu ya. Mantap. Nah gini, ammo 64. Nggak bisa. Buset, shotgun. Oke. Enggak lah, ini aja udah. SMG aja. Yuk. Saya tikus. Mana kita? Oh, banyak banget. Headshot. Awas botak. Kocak lu, malah di situ ketembak lu, kocak. Nah, ngebantuin nih temennya nih. Bayangin kalau ada satu peluru sama dengan 30.000. Emang apa? Satu peluru begitu 3.000? 30.000 harganya. Aku nggak tahu loh. Itu sniper ya? Yang lari-lari ya? Enggak deh, bukan. Keren sniper yang lari-lari. Wow. Kenapa shotgun? Belum dikasih 30, habis itu ada 4 member jadi 3 juta, baru peluru belum pistol ya. Oh, shotgun. Alah, ganti senjata, cepat. Lelet nih pistol nih, nggak bisa beredel nih. Aduh, jangan bilang di sini orang-orang pada pakai granat nih. Saya nggak pakai granat loh. Mas botak. Alah. Buset tuh sniper, kagak kelar-kelar. Sini kau. Buset, tinggal keluar-keluar nih orang. Kemana? Taruh. Nanti dulu sniper, nanti dulu. Amo. Nice. Pakai granat kak, kan kamu punya? Nggak ada kok. Nggak ada granat sini. Aduh. Eh. Makan tuh bomnya. Tuh gas LPG no lu makan. Ayo. Buset bisa nggak kena? Nah kan. Ini dia tugasnya dia. Jadi keluar gak bingung. Keluar langsung ada jemputan. Taruh minum dulu deh. Aus.
Yeah. Well, the map proves it. They didn't screw around in the East Indies for 6 months. Sailed straight through and headed to Arabia.
Right.
Here's where it gets interesting. See this marker? This is John D's.
James Bond.
How's John D?
John Dee, one of Queen
John Dee.
Elizabeth's closest advisors. Everybody knows that.
Yeah, he was a great mathematician and navigator. Way ahead of his time. He's probably the one who invented that.
Seriously into the occult. I mean, like a really creepy doll.
Yeah, see, he signed all his letters to the Queen with this symbol, meaning he was her eyes.
The original 007. See, look.
So it was John Dee who sent Drake to Arabia.
Yeah, it looks that way.
Yang 007 siapa sih? Itu?
Great, but what for?
Apa film tuh ya Allah?
Question, isn't it? And this is where T.E. Lawrence comes in. See, before Lawrence became Lawrence of Arabia,
Great film.
he was an archaeologist.
Kau udah 1 jam ya.
And even when he was
Masih
just a
seru
kid, he
soalnya.
was obsessed with history. Everything to
Pokoknya
do
harus
with
tamat.
battles and crusades.
Dikit lagi kan
Traveled all
minggu
over
depan udah
Europe.
masuk.
Every crusader site he could find. It's all in here.
All right, you lost me completely, kid. What the hell has this got to do with Drake?
I'm getting to that. See, after the war, Lawrence said that if he were ever to go back to Arabia, it would be to search for this place he called the Atlantis of the Sands.
Oke.
Now, the legend crops up over and over.
Samudra
again with
pasir.
different names. Ubar, Aram of the Pillars, the City of
Ubar.
Brass. But the story is always the same.
Oh, city of immeasurable wealth, destroyed by God for its arrogance.
2 jam
Swallowed
ya kali.
forever in the sands of the Rubel Kali.
Masih jam 3.
Right here.
I like the immeasurable wealth.
Aku bilang nih si Nate ini pinter ini.
Sent Drake after.
Oh yeah. And more importantly, it's what Marlowe's after.
So, wait, if Drake was on a mission from the Queen to find this place, why all the secrecy? I mean, it looks like he went to a lot of trouble to hide whatever he found, even from Her Majesty.
I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry. What was that?
No, hang on a second. Because if you recall, the last time we went halfway around the world searching for a lost city, things got more
Heran dia,
dicey.
ada kita nggak
This
tahu.
time we have the upper hand.
Biasanya kita tahu semua.
Drake only had half the clues. Lawrence only had half. We have both. And Marlowe has nothing.
Small problem. The Rubel Kali Desert, 600 miles across. The Bedouin go around the damn thing.
And even if we knew where it was, which we don't, we would die trying to find
Just
it.
hold on. You see these symbols here?
Yeah? Looks like Sabaean
Sabaean
script.
Right. Look, the Crusaders were searching for the same lost city 1,000 years ago. But out of all the sites Lawrence documented, only 2 are marked with these symbols. One in Syria, the other
Friends.
France. No, you 2 are going to Syria. We're heading to France. Look, we track down these clues. We find Lawrence's lost city.
Oke, bagi 2 tim berarti ya.
Well, and then how are we going to get across 600 miles of impassable wasteland?
It's in the middle of the desert. So technically, it would be about 300 miles. Look, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
We burn that bridge when we get to it, eh?
Exactly. What do you say?
What the hell?
Let's do it.
300 miles. Mereka ke Syria, kita ke Prancis. Prancis Barat. Timur.
End of the line, I guess.
Another line.
Don't.
Jeepnya bagus ya.
Looks like we're going the rest of the way on foot. What?
Leave it to you to find a friggin' jungle in the middle of France.
Well, definitely headed in the right direction.
Oke.
Chateau should be this way. Not too far. Come on.
Udah tua, nggak bisa
Not too
jalan.
far. With you, I never know if that means a quarter mile or 20. The time you got us lost in Peru,
Oh, you really want to bring up Peru?
you are not still holding at it.
I was 15, Sully. Should have known when I met you that I'd be in prison within a year.
You
Bawah.
headed that way all on your own, if you recall.
Udah tua nggak bisa jalan jauh-jauh, capek dia.
Here it is, just like in Lords' notes.
Itu dia,
Faith in me, Sully.
kan? Dekat ternyata.
Guess I don't remember this ravine being on the map.
Ah, they must have just put
Eh,
that in.
siapa tuh?
All right. Come on, we'll find another way around.
Oh, patung, kirain siapa loh? Flute. Kayak suling gitu ya mainnya. Ditiup. Nah, kita sini. Upsi.
This way. Watch your step.
I don't know, kid. Sure we're in the right place? It doesn't seem old enough. Say this. Renaissance.
You haven't been reading my books again, have you, Sully?
Jatuh
Lord
loh.
says the original castle was built in the 11th century. The rest was added on later.
Gameplaynya lebih bagus, jauh lebih bagus ini kayaknya daripada yang kedua.
Now this looks sketchy.
Grafiknya juga ya, aduh, ya lumayan lah.
Look, Sully, your first car.
Tahu loh dia loh.
Yeah? What's this, Mr. Wizard? Pretty tacky. The night
Taki-taki
of all this
rupa.
castle where Godfrey returned from the Crusades in the 12th century. According to Lawrence, all that's left of the original castle is the square keep and the gardens. Godfrey brought in the Caesars back from the grave.
Seru manjat tuh ke situ kayaknya.
We're gonna find it. No good?
Getting in this way.
Op.
That window above.
Don't want to cut myself.
Si Sally nggak bisa manjat ya, lupa. Udah tua dia.
Be right back.
Turun kah kita? Oh iya turun. Oh.
All right, back up. I'll shoot the lock off.
I'm sure that's the only thing you shoot off.
I said lock.
Naik kah ke atas ini? Oh bisa. Harusnya sih bisa. Nanti malam kamu nonton ini nggak, Fah? Indonesia Thailand. Ada rencana nonton gitu. Sama Ni, sama Mbah. Ini kemana sih? Oh ini, astaga. Udah masuk.
You good? Okay. We gotta make our way through the chateau to the gardens. That's where we'll find the old keep.
Ini sini. Kemana? Kemana? Oh situ. Ayo.
Get it open, this damn beam's in the way.
Yeah, we gotta get some leverage.
Get up there?
Try.
Enggak, aku curiga sama yang ini loh. Tak kenapa feelingku masih kesini aja. Ini ke sini. Nah kan, Allahu Akbar. Makanya ini feelingnya kayaknya kesini nih. Cuma nggak dikasih jalan sama dia. Francis Drake.
Hey, there's some kind of mechanism over there.
Dia lagi belajar aksen gitu. Up. Francis Drake. Nathan Drake. P. Nonton bola nggak, Fa? Ntar malam, Fa. Itu final loh. Kemana? Oh, kesini. Jatuh. Ngulang lagi. Aduh. Ini ya. Jatuh, segala jatuh. Segala jatuh. Mau mabar entar lah, sorean. Masih jam segini belum asar dulu. Ngapain tuh? Astaga, gimana sih ini ngarahinnya? Nah, emang rada glitch dari situ tuh. Mau mabar ntar sorean, bot. Gak mau main apa gimana, bot? Berpensi dia. Pensi. Bahasanya pensi. Popcorn machine. Oh iya. Oh enggak, deh, bukan.
Okay, let's see if we can find a way to that tower.
Dapurnya dapur modern. Jam nggak tahu jam berapa, habis live streaming ini paling. Oh, udah benar jalannya. Wow. Si Ea nggak tahu, makanya tuh dia nggak main lagi apa gimana? Nah, kan kalau yang yang Uncharted 1 sama 2 kan perang mulu ya. Kalau ini kayaknya lebih ke puzzle, jalan-jalan. Capek Pak, perang mulu, Pak. Kita kemana nih? Sullivan. Pak Tua, kita kemana Pak Tua? Bapak turun lagi, astagfirullah. Oh, sini. Ada something di sini. Enggak ada. Piye to? Oh, situ, Pak. Ya. Di mana? Kita kemana? Oh, enggak kemana-mana. Oh ini. Tangganya roboh. Oke, apakah puzzle? Sepertinya sih puzzle ya. Oh, oke.
place? Kind on the nose, don't you think?
Yeah, too soon.
Oh, ini bisa diputer. Oke.
Check out these suits of armor. Lawrence made a note about something like this. Here,
Iya,
see?
notebook kan? Di notebook.
An axe, a shield, a sword, and a morning star. Just like the ones in this room.
Hah? Oh, yang shield ngadep kapak, kapak ngadep shield. Oke. Yang shield mana?
We gotta turn
Oke, ini
each leg so
shield.
it's facing the right way.
Yeah, but what's the right way?
Shield madep kapak. Oke. Shield madep kapak. Nih. Nah. Oke. Tuh. Kapak madep shield. Oke. Kapak madep shield. Putar ke kiri. Putar ke kiri. Wih, ada Arva sini. Lagi liburan apa gimana, Fa?
Gotta hand it to you, Sully. Seems to be stuck.
Yang bulat-bulat. Yang bulat-bulat ke shield kan ya? Bulat yang pedang ke kapak. Pedang ke kapak. Lah ini udah. Ini.
Okay, I'll push
Ke rumah kamu boleh numpang minum. Numpang minum.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just pull.
Numpang minum loh. Yang dari dulu. Ya. Anti mainstream banget ya.
Hey, you all right? Yeah. Yeah, I'll live. No way I'm getting back up there. I'm gonna head this way. Just meet me on the other
Boleh
side.
nggak? Boleh nggak apa-apa. Kalau aku boleh, nggak tahu, lihat aja ntar.
Right.
Diobrolin lah, diomongin aja dulu. Sama Fahmi itu Fahmi yang itu ya. Fahmi. Aduh. Enggak, aku ingat Fahmi 6A kan ya? Iya kan? Cuma ada satu Fahmi kan? 6A doang. Teman SD kamu, iya. Teman SD. Iya 6A benar. Ya, benar. Hop. Oh. Aduh, ada dia lagi. Orang lagi di sini.
Hunt them down.
Perang lagi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita punya senjata nggak sih? Kayaknya bisa nih. Take down. Oke, mantap. Woi, langsung ketahuan gitu konsepnya. Sabarlah. Set. shotgun, astagfirullah. Mati kau. Dari atas nih lo. Ini musuhnya orang kaya apa gimana sih? Lah. Taruh. Naik. Up. Aduh. Mantap. Mati. Tinju. Dia nggak tahu ya. Dia nggak tahu. Hop. Ada lagi. Keluar kau. Dari atas ada. Oke, mantap. Ada lagi kah? Oh, ada situ. Halo, keluar yuk. Mati kan? Gabut bot. Si Boti. Oh. Kurang ajar kamu ya. Lalu turun dulu. Oke, mantap. Weh. Kurang ajar. Tembak shotgun loh. Granat. Oke. Oh gitu. Dor. Udah turun. Pakai ini aja. 150 amonya. Buset, sadis betul. Dor. Granat siapa, Bot? Bion ya, Bot? Granat Bion. Aku pakai Alvaro, makanya musuhnya langsung mati. Itu dia si Sally, si kakek. Ini ada. Halo kalian berdua. Dor. Tapi di sini AK-nya turun. Kasihan si kakek. Oh. Buset. Di tojos. Up. Buset. Buset, shotgun dua-duanya.
Halo.
Ngapain ya? Ya, saya lagi live streaming. Ya, saya lagi live streaming, Mama. Oh udah. Mati. Survivor. Nah, bredel depan mata tuh. Ini apa sih ini orang? Ini lu. Oh kurang ajar depan. Ya, meledak kau. Cur. Megang granat. Oke bro, hati-hati bro sama Nathan Drake bro. Bisa mati gara-gara senjata Anda. Mau mabar FF? Enggak, tar dulu, sabar. Ya nanti mabar, santai aja lah.
Up this way.
Amo
Come on,
mantap.
son, give me some help with this door.
Ayo. Kek. Ya ampun. Ayo kek. Pio juga siapa yang nanya kamu? Lah kocak. Kenapa nanyanya di live chat? Nanya jangan di live chat lah. Udah mati. Tuh ini mayat busuk. Udah busuk nih. Baru loh ini bajunya.
It's one of Talbot's men.
Aduh.
They just got here. What could have happened to them? No idea. I sure as hell don't like it. Yeah. Doesn't say anything, though. It's just nonsense.
Coba Sally kamu berdiri di sana tuh.
Good idea.
Kamu mau di sini ya sudah.
Let me check.
Drake's Journal. Oke. Ini kayak jalanan gitu ya. Ke kotak. Oke, kotak. Habis itu next ke silang. Ya gagal. Taruh. Ini kan kotak ya, dari kotak ya, habis itu ke silang ya. Oke. Set. Silang. Ini. Oh, alah. Oke, coba. Sini. Oke, sini. Habis itu ke silang 3. Ini silang berarti. Ini gimana sih? Ini gimana sih? 4. Coba ya, 4 gini. Tuh, 2. Apa sih? Tuh. 2. Gini kan, set. Ya elah. Jalan, makanya jalan. Nah. Set. Bukan. 1 2 3 4 1 2 salah bro 1 2 3 4 1 1, 2, 3. Aduh, salah Pak. Berarti ke sini ya. Oke, coba lagi. Kan ke sini. Kanan, kiri, kanan, lurus, kiri, sini, kiri. Habis itu ke sini coba.
I'm doing my best.
Oke. Sini. Set. Lah. Mana sih? 3 silang, 4 begituan. 4. Oh, balik lagi ke sini. Oke. Tuh. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Habis itu kotak. 1. Gagal loh. Gimana sih? Tuh. Oke. Tuh, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sono. Hah? Nggak, abis ini kemana? Oh, silang dulu 2 sono. Oke. Ini ya. Set. Ini udah depan. Oh iya, 3 dah. Nah. Kebuka juga. Kebuka juga.
Wanna give us some light?
Anda tidak bawa senter. Kayak
Some sort of laboratory, isn't it?
Yeah, this stuff's gotta be at least 400 years old. Hey, a little more light, Sully.
simbol.
Seems to be an alchemist.
Alchemist lab.
Does this place remind you of anything?
Marlowe Street behind it.
Sully, this is John Dee's lab.
Hmm?
France?
Well, he must have traced the clues back to the Crusades, just like Lawrence did.
This.
Apa?
Human script again. But what are these symbols? Looks like he was trying to work something out. There's some sort of message written here in the Nakian script.
Decipher?
I'll try. The altar guards the entrance to the underworld. Well, he did use magic to conjure spirits.
Or the altar could be hiding a secret message.
Oh. Right.
Of course.
Di bawah sini ya. Ada sesuatu, tapi
Go fast.
sampai sini dulu.
John D.
Jangan besok atau enggak ntar malam ada bola ya. Besok kita lanjutin lagi. Kita save dulu. Tanggal hari ini tanggal berapa? 28%. Berarti sumpah udah 28%. Udah mau tamat. Dah. Dan dulu deh.